This demo shows you how to search in a tree using filters. First, open the available web scraping sample HTML file with the Python open method. R indicates the read-only method. Create a soup object and pass the web document as a parameter and use LXML parser for parsing the document. Let's view the contents of the soup object. After we have the soup object in hand, we can start searching the tree with filters. Let's create a tag object, view the type, and print it. We can use the first method to search the ID HR and print the associated information. Now let's try to access the name using the string option, which is the very first text present in the HR ID object. We can also search only text using some specific or known text value. Let's try to search using the CSS class attribute now. Let's use the IT Manager CSS class to access the associated information. Now create a user-defined function to find the attribute ID with the tag finance. We can use this function to find the name by passing the string value in the argument. Find all true will return all the tag names present in the document. Similarly, we can find the class HR Manager. As you can see, the type of object is result_set, meaning the information is in the form of a list and can be accessed using the index value. Now use findParents method to view the parent information of the web tree. Let's create another soup object and find ID, IT, and print it to view the contents. let's find the next sibling and then find the parents again to view the details. Use the Find All Previous method to search for all previous tags. Now, use the Next Previous Sibling method to search all the previous siblings, and then try Find All Next to view all next tree values. Let's learn to use the regular expression to search the document. Here, we are creating a sample example to extract email ID from it. We just need to create a soup object and parse the sample XML using LXML parser. Now, define the regular expression object to compile regular expressions for email ID. We can access email ID by passing the regular expression as a parameter to the soup object. You have now learned the ways to search in a tree using filters.